Aha! See, you thought I was going to slide in today on this great Monday. How are you? I thought I'll do something a little bit different. I don't know if you knew this, but happy Monday, everybody. I hope you're doing well. I collect coffee mugs, not just any. And one day I'll show you the top of my kitchen. They're all like around the border, like half of them. And I've lost a few bunches over the years, like a box gave away years ago. I lost some really great coffee mugs. I lost a really great one from Shakespeare's Globe in London, a few others. It was kind of a heartbreaking situation in my household. But this I got. Isn't this the coolest thing ever? Look at this. It's a VW bus. I got this in Palm Springs, California, a year ago. So have a look. I do something different every day, just about. So speaking of Palm Springs, California, great segue, Greg. Thank you very much. I'm getting ready to leave for Palm Springs, California on Wednesday. I am so super grateful that I'm going. Probably not doing a lot of regular posts, but I think I'm going to do maybe one. It won't be out on Thursday, I don't think, but maybe later in the week. I just want to do like a little tour of where I'm staying and just around Palm Springs for those of you that love it or haven't been there in a while. So I think that's on the agenda. I got a lot of stuff going on. I have some friends I'm going to meet that I'm so excited about seeing. I'm going to participate in the Dining Out for Life on Thursday to help with money in the local area. And if you don't know about Dining Out for Life, they do them all over the country. Look it up online. But I'm going to help out the Coachella area, Palm Springs area. So I'm going to do that and pool and just hang out. One of my favorite things, I'm staying at the Triangle Inn. It is a clothing optional, men's clothing optional resort. I'm going to let you know because people will write me a note like, oh, really? Yeah, I don't do all that. But I just like that it's a smaller boutique hotel for gay men. The pool's great, but I love getting up in the morning, opening the door of my place. This cool, sunny weather greets me in the morning. I do a little morning prayer. I go out and have coffee with other men just to meet other people. I love it. I absolutely love it. And I have a few spots and things I like to do while I'm there. So I need a break right now. I've been working hard and trying to just sustain myself with my career and everything. It's been an aggravating few weeks. It just life, the news and life and everything. So those of you in Palm Springs, I can't wait to see you. Hit me up, message me. Love to meet you for a drink, bite to eat or something. This past weekend was a little bit low key, but on Saturday, I'm with a group called Friends on Court. We were out in the burbs and you try different kinds of wines and you rate them and then people will win or don't win. So the top two wines go to the hosts, Scott and Jody at the time. And then everybody that brought that second bottle that wasn't sampled, you split with the first and second winners. And I got first place by like a smidge, like 1 point. And second and third were tied. So they split the other one. So I think I came home with like 5 bottles of wine or something. And my best friend Rob, I gave him one of those yesterday. And you may ask, what wine did you sample? We did Bordeaux. So I'm going to take some of that up north. Jake and Valerie, if you're watching, I'm going to take that up north to Petoskey in May when I go morel mushroom hunting. And it's not the magic mushrooms or anything like that. If you don't know what they are, go on the web. But I've been hunting those and foraging those for many, many years. So, yeah. So that's what I'm going on. I got a program. I'm leaving shortly. Got to change my shirt up. It's sunny and cool out today. My camera is like too high for me right now. It's sunny and cool outside. I'm getting a lot of sun come in. But I got to travel about 40 minutes in a little bit to do a program out in the burbs, out in Deerfield. So looking forward to that. I have another one tomorrow. And I leave. I just belched, by the way. Sorry, I'm drinking my coffee. And I leave Wednesday morning. So, yeah. So that's what's going on. I'm looking around my table. Do I have anything else to share? I guess I don't. So I need to let you go because I got to change and get my button gear. I hope you have a great day. You know, this is really annoying me over here. It doesn't take much these days. Yeah, that's much better. Oh, anyway, I hope you have a blessed day, a great day ahead. Be positive and hopeful and kind. Turn off the news. Get informed, but turn it off. And do something kind for somebody today. Pull out your favorite mug. Pull out your favorite beverage and sit back and count your blessings today. And I will see you from Palm Springs sometime the end of the week. And again, I'm going to do like little snippets of something, but if you haven't been, look it up. You know, you can ask me a lot of questions too, because I've been there over the years, and it's just an incredible, peaceful, wonderful place to be, and inclusive, and belonging, which is very important these days. So I'll let you go. Subscribe, like, and share. You know I love that. Love you bunches. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great week. And I will see you from sunny California. Take care, everybody. Bye.